Hi folks, today I am going to show you a method of making money online which is as simple as eating a banana. That is the reason we have a banana in the video right now. So in this video we will be collecting emails, and for each email you will be getting somewhere between $1 to $2, and at the end of day as many emails you collect, that much money you will be getting paid. So if I go to my screen now and let me show you how many emails I have. So I have collected emails which is 568 at the moment. So let me bring up my calculator and let me show you how much that would convert it to. So 568 into $1.5 on an average, that will convert to $852 in a single day that I was able to achieve. So without delay, let's start this video and let me show you step by step how you can start making money online. Welcome back folks to another video of Money Spam. This is going to be a continuation of my previous video. So if you have not seen my previous video, which is called how to make money online without selling products, you should go and watch it first. This is going to be a continuation of that, and in this video I will be teaching you about CPA marketing. So what is CPA marketing? CPA marketing is a marketing in which you don't even sell a product. In CPA marketing, the amount, the commission you are going to get is very low. It is going to be somewhere between $1 to $2. That's about it. Anything above that doesn't convert very well, because the people or the promos will be asking for users to put credit cards or other details. So that makes conversions very, very less. But what these CPA marketing offers, that is paying you between $1 to $2, are lacking, is going to get covered in volume, because these offers will be very attractive offers. These will be like Fiverr gigs, these will be like Domino's of coupons, these will be like Walmart gift cards, these will be Macy's gift cards, these will be as simple as you can win a chance to get an iPhone Pro Max. That sort of offers we are going to promote, and these offers are very lucrative. People go for it, and only thing you need to keep track is these offers are limited to a country, or these offers are limited to a device that you need to keep track of. So I have explained step by step how can you use a same link, promote multiple similar kind of offers to different audiences in different countries. Last video I explained you with a Domino's pizza coupon, in which we were having one short link, and the same link was showing a different offer to people from Germany, a different offer to people from UK, and different offer to people from US. That way your hassle becomes very easy. So without delay, let's go back to my screen and let me show you how you can start making money by collecting emails from people. So like I explained in my previous video, to promote or to find CPA offers, you need to come to a website called OfferVault. So we are just going to type OfferVault. And the offer we are going to try to promote today is, let's see what we can try to promote today. So there are multiple offers that we can promote. For example, we can search for offer from Walmart, and we need to find, see, these are lead based offers. So this is a gift card, and this offer is being run on CPA network called Private CPA. So this is the private network, CPA network you will have to go and register on, so that you can start promoting this offer and start making money. And if you are not starting this journey very newly, I highly recommend you to go to my first video, very first video, where I have explained how to showcase yourself as a legit expert in this domain and get approved to these networks. As you see, to get this lead, you are going to get money $2.75, and the country it is allowed to promote is in United States and Vatican City. So these two countries you can promote this offer in. Similarly, there is one more running at, this is also running at private CPA network, and so on and so forth. There will be a lot of offers that are running. So the offer uh, I'm going to promote today for demo is running on CPA lead. So let me open my CPA lead account. So we are in my cpalead.com dashboard, and the offer that we are going to promote today is called Win iPhone 12 Pro. So basically, people who would participate in this survey is very simple, like an email submit. Email submit and surveys are very similar, and are used interchangeably, and people love these kind of offers because, let's be frank, if someone would say that I can get into a, let's say, draw and win a iPhone 12 Pro Max, why won't I? I mean, I don't have anything to lose, and there is always a chance that I can be a winner. People love to promote and people love to participate in these offers. So let's open it. And as you see, this is only applicable in Germany, and you can promote this offer on all the devices. Now that is the problem with CPA offers. So in my last video, I explained how you can use same link and promote different offers, which will automatically redirect from this sort link to different countries based on which these guys are referring to. But in this offer, in this video, let me just select it. So we are going to copy it, and as usual, you should always sort in the link. So we are going to come back to incisors.com. Yeah, so I am on my incisors.com account, and I am going to just shorten this link. So my link is shortened. Remember, always shorten your link, because that way you have full control over links. Suppose in future, if you want to promote a different offer, you already have a base established, you already have your emails lying widespread. You just have to change the backend, and that shortened link will start promoting from this offer to a different offer. That way your time and efforts are so much saved, because these offers run only for quite some time. They might be running for 1 month or even for 2 months, sometimes in rare cases even 6 months, but after that these offers are going to die. And you don't want your links to die, because those links are sitting in some traffic, because as time changes the traffic on these links increases, or sometimes they die. But let's say your link is sitting or pinned in top of a Facebook group, you don't want that offer to die, right? It is better to just change the backend and start promoting similar offer on the same sorted link. So in this website, if your link is shortened, you can come to edit and you can just change the target URL. So after shortening, we're just going to check it out. So the link goes, but I am not in Germany, so it is not going to open for me. So what we need to do now is we need to find a way to promote this offer so that it can reach people, and when people enter this offer, then you can start making money. So one of the simplest way to start promoting these offers is come to a website like facebook.com, and you can start participating in the groups. Let me log into my Facebook account and let me show you what I am talking. So I'm on my Facebook account now, one of the Facebook accounts that I own actually. So now think, someone who is interested in iPhone, what these guys would actually be doing. How do you find people who are interested in iPhones? One of the ways that I can think of is start promoting wallpapers, right? Because if someone owns a old iPhone, they would be downloading an iPhone wallpaper, or maybe they are owning Android and showcasing it as an iPhone, and that is why they download the iPhone wallpapers. So let's search for a group. If we have an iPhone wallpaper group, and let's change the filter to groups. So you see, there are so many iPhone wallpaper groups. See, Apple iPhone wallpaper. See, iPhone wallpaper, Apple iPhone, iPhone photography, iPhone world, Apple iPhone Access Max. So these are all the groups which can become your target group. So what you need to do is you need to start joining these groups. Just click on them and start joining them one by one, because these are the audiences you want to reach out to. So for example, I will just open one of the groups that I'm part of, and you can implement same thing in these groups into web hosting. So I opened a web hosting one. And if you open the members here, you see this? Members near you. You see these members near you? So these are the people you need to promote this offering to. Now, how do you find people who are living in Germany and are part of this group? That is simple, folks. What you need to do is you need to go back to your profile, change your current address to somewhere in Germany. Like change your address to Berlin in Germany. So I'm not going to tell you how to change your Facebook profile's current address, or just create another account on Facebook and change its address to Berlin and then join this group. So when you do that, like this account belongs to San Francisco, California. So it is showing me all the people who are living in San Francisco and are part of this group. That way you will find all the people who are living in Germany and are part of this group. So what you need to do is you need to click on them and you need to start pinging them. But remember, don't spam them. Because if you will just say, hey, this is the link, do you want to be part of it? Do you want to sign up for iPhone Max Pro? They're not going to respond because they will know that it is a spam. Nobody wants to go with a spam. What you need to do is you need to build a relationship with them. What you need to do is build up slow. What you need to do is you need to ping them and say something along the lines, hey Lay, how are you doing today? I saw you are part of iPhone 7 group, whichever group C is part of, and was interested to know if you can help me out with a weird iPhone problem or something. Just make sure that this lady or whoever you are going to interact with, your lead, is going to respond back. Just ensure that DC is going to respond back. And once they respond, you can build a conversation for just 1 line, 2 line, 3 line. And after that, you tell them, I participated in an offer, which at the end of the day is supposed to give me a chance to win an iPhone Pro 12. Would you want to participate in the same? Then what do you think she is going to respond? Because you have already made a conversation with her. So she is interested in the conversation. That is why she is responding. And when you give her the link, she is going to go and sign up for that link, because obviously she also wants free iPhone 12. So you see that you need to build a conversation before you can actually convert your lead to a full conversion so that you can earn money. You start very slow. Try only 15, 20. Within 3 hours, I will tell you, you can easily convert 50 people per day. But you need to be consistent and you need to be persistent to do this. Another way that you can convert is come to Google, start finding weird question images. Question images. Simple questions. Yeah, you see, these kind of quizzes I am talking about. These are simple quizzes, right? And it is very simple to create these quizzes, man. You can go to Canva. I use Canva to create all my designs. And for all the things that I'm showing you, the links will be in my description. So you can go and directly click there and come back to these websites that I am telling you. I use Canva to create my thumbnails. I use Canva to create everything. And once, let's say you have grown your business, you can go for a premium membership with them. So let's come to create a design. They have multiple formats. So let's say you want to create an Instagram post sort of format, similar design. So you come here and you can start designing your quiz. Just start with a template. Yeah. And all these things are editable, man. You can click on this, you can change the picture color, you can change it to anything you find fit, you can remove the image, you can take a different photo. You can put the photo, you can resize it, you can do whatever you want, man. It is very simple to create these kind of quizzes, and people love these kind of quizzes because it is very simple to answer, and people want to showcase that they are smart. So what you need to do is just download one of those images and let me show you what you can write there. So for example, I decided to download this one. So we add the picture in our group and you can start writing somewhere around the lines. Do you think you are smart enough to answer this? If you are smart enough to answer this, you can participate in the iPhone 12 Max Pro lucky draw. You see this? And then you paste the link here. You see what people will do? People will look at this and people have a tendency to answer this. So they will answer and they will think they are eligible for the offer and they will go for that offer and they are going to put their email ID and you are going to earn commission out of it. So every submission that will go through this link is going to make you money. So imagine if you make 100 or 200 or 500 emails in a day, you are going to be set. Just multiply that number with 1.5 and that is the money you are going to make. For the people who have stuck till the end of this video, I am going to give you a very big bonus tip. So what you need to do is, if you are, let's say, if you are really crunch on money and if you want to make money really fast, what you can do is you can just come to these groups, the groups for iPhone lovers, and you can type there, hey, I need couple of people from Germany whom I will be paying $1 or let's say $0.50 for simple tasks. If you are interested, just ping me. Now people want to make money online, right? These people will reply to you in inbox. You will give them the link. They will participate in this link and you are going to earn $1.5 and you can pay them $0.5. So you are still making a difference, right? You are still going to get $1 profit out of it. But remember, these kind of tactics are discouraged by the networks, but most of the time these networks don't even know about it, so you don't have to worry so much for doing these things at a small level. But if you scale this at a very large level, you may get in trouble. Another website where you can do incentive thing is called SEO Clerks. So if you go to SEO Clerks, in SEO Clerks you can find people that are ready to do work as simple as $0.01. As simple as that. So if you are ready to pay someone, let's say $0.05 for people who are in country Germany, you pay them, let's say $0.05 or $0.10 and ask them to put their email there and you get $1.5 out of it. This is as simple as that. Things cannot get simpler than this online to start making money. Only thing you need to do is you need to be persistent and you need to be consistent with it. That's it for this video, folks. I'm going to see you in my next video.